Hi, this is Trev from Tumble Road with this week's Thursday Tech Tip. This week's episode, we're going to discuss the best way to close out your project so that your team members don't continue to see tasks on their timesheet. So what we have here is a project where most of the tasks are completed, as we can tell from the check marks here. However, we know that not everything in this project has been closed out, so we want to go ahead and do that and see which things need to be closed. So there's really three steps to closing out a project properly. First off, identifying the tasks that are not 100% complete. Secondly, zeroing out the remaining work that is associated to those tasks. And then thirdly, making sure that they are marked as 100% complete. And what this will do if you're using Project Online is ensure that these tasks no longer show up on a person's timesheet going forward. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to look for those tasks that are not complete yet. So we want to click on the View tab. Then we're going to apply a built-in filter called Incomplete Task. And this will show us that we have 3 tasks here that are not complete. So this is why the project is not completely closed out. The second step is we need to add 2 more columns here. So we're going to add remaining work. So you can just start typing the name and it will filter the list for you. And you can see here we have some remaining work that needs to be cleared out. And then finally, I'm going to add % complete to ensure that it goes to 100. So the easiest way to do this is basically type 0 in the first one, and just as you do in Excel, you can grab the corner and drag it down. This sets all of these tasks to 0 remaining work, which happens to also set this to 100%. Now, just to be safe, I'm going to remove the filter. I'm going to click in the upper left corner here, and then if I go to the Task tab, I can click 100% to ensure that everything is set. Once I do this, if I do Save and then Publish, any remaining tasks that have been sitting out on people's timesheets will disappear. Well, that's it for this week. Hope you've enjoyed it. To find out more, sign up for our community at tumbleroad.com. See you next week.